Hello, I am Abdullah Badawaya from Assam, India, and I am a community development practitioner working in a language, preservation, environmental, sustainability, and youth empowerment. My title will be Empowering Communities Through AI, Culture, and Educations. So, this will be my title. Through the Sility Archive Research and Cultural Center, our team has documented rare manuscripts, promoted the Sility language, trained young people, and digital skill and supported cultural preservation initiatives. I believe AI should be strengthened human connections. We are exploring ways to use technology to preserve endangered languages, create digital learning resources, and connect communities with their cultural heritage. As a practitioner, I hope to collaborate with young leaders worldwide, sharing community based solutions and develop projects that combine cultural technology and sustainable development for future generation. And also, I'd like to say that recently I have been selected for the cultural preservations in the Stanford University, powered by Silicon Valley, for the KBIUX program for the language preservations out of 20 countries and for this unexcluded community. And we are not only developing the cultural language and manuscripts. Apart from that, I have a startup innovations company working with the cultural products, rural products, to make it to rural and rural to urban areas, and make these products into global to rural to global.